In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix Google Messages app keep stopping error. So if you are trying to use this app or you're not even using the app, but you keep on getting this message keep stopping, then there are quite a number of steps you can take to fix this. The first thing to do is to try and troubleshoot your Messages app. To do that, go to your phone and look for settings, and from settings scroll down to apps. Now under apps, go to manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, just search for Messages, and here it is. Tap on it to open, and the first thing to do is to force stop the app. Okay, then clear data and choose clear cache, and okay. Now restart your smartphone and then try to use your app. However, if this did not work, then most likely you might be using an outdated version of Messages app and you need to update it. To do that, just go to Google Play Store if you're on Android and search for Messages. Now, if I run search, we have our Google Messages app here. As you can see, I have an update, which means I've been using an outdated version of Google Messages app. To update, just tap on update, and this will download the latest version of Google Messages app and then install it on your phone. Once it's done, now you can try and open your Messages app, and now everything should be up and running without any issue. But should you still experience the same challenge, then most likely you might be using a VPN app or a recently installed security app that is causing this conflict. You'll need to turn it off or uninstall it temporarily to see if this fixes. However, if that does not work, then you need to take the last and the final step, that is to go back to Google Play Store and uninstall this app and then install it afresh. The reason you're doing this is because all indications are now that your Google Messages app contains bugs. To clear bugs, you need to uninstall and then install your Messages app afresh to get a clean app without bugs. So let me know which of these was able to fix your problem. If you have any other question, kindly comment below. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.